Imagine a friend who's available 24 cross 7. Someone who answers your questions, writes emails for you, helps you study, and never complains. That's ChatGPT. And today I'll show you how to use it in your everyday life in smart, time saving ways. Welcome to Life Decode, where we simplify life, tech, and future. I'm Priyanka, and in this video, we are diving into how you can make ChatGPT your personal assistant. Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot by OpenAI. You type in a message and it gives intelligent human like replies. But beyond just chatting, ChatGPT can actually do a lot more. Let's look at 5 ways you can use it in your daily life. First way, writing emails and messages. Whether you need to ask your boss for a leave or send a professional reply to a client, ChatGPT can do it.
Open chatgpt.com. Here, the model is auto-selected as auto for the free versions. Here you can ask anything to the ChatGPT. Write an email to my manager requesting a day off due to personal reasons. Here, ChatGPT has replied as a professional and polite email for you to send it. You just need to tweak a bit of it, like for which date you are looking for an application, and a few other details like the manager's name, and in the end, you can edit on your name. Here, ChatGPT also gives you an option like do you want it in a more casual or include any other specific details.
Second, for study and learning, need help understanding a concept or summarizing a chapter? Just ask ChatGPT in simple words. For example, explain Newton's law of motion with real life examples. It's like having a personal tutor, ready anytime. Third, idea generation and financial queries. Want to understand the stock market better? Looking for investment tips in simple language? Ask ChatGPT. Try. Explain SIP and mutual funds in simple words for beginners. Or what are 3 safe investment options in India right now? It won't replace your financial advisor, but it's a great starting point. Fourth one, daily planning and cooking. You can ask ChatGPT, what can I cook using only paneer, tomatoes, and onions? And it will give practical, helpful answers. Fifth one, travel planning. Let's just say you want to go on a weekend trip.
Just type in plan a 3-day trip to Udaipur for under 10,000 rupees. Here is a budget friendly 3-day Udaipur trip plan with a detailed explanation where you can visit, how you can spend your 3 days and 2 nights, approximately how much budget you need to spend on each category. It gives us a day by day plans on day 1 where you can visit, even on day 2 where all places to visit. On day 3 you can cover local markets and you can plan your return. In addition to this, ChatGPT also is able to give you PDF travel guide, Google Map pin, and any other YouTube blog suggestions for this same itinerary.
But here's the secret, the quality of ChatGPT's answers depends on the way you ask. This is called prompt engineering, and we will dive deeper into that in the next video. For now, just remember the more specific and detailed your question is, the better your result will be. If this video gave you ideas or clarity, like it, share your favorite use case in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe Life Decode. We don't fear the future, we decode it.